If she sees us both here, she'll probably just split again.
You just go home. I want to see this fucking stranger.